Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel BBTechHub. And from today, I'm starting CCNA series, and it will be a complete CCNA series. And of course, I would like to mention over here that I am having 25 years of experience in this IT training industry. And I feel the journey with you people will be so memorable during this session. And along with the CCNA topic, I will cover several extra informations about the networking so that who does not have any prior knowledge about the networking also can understand every topic. And if at all you feel any problem also, don't worry, I am there with you. Just in the comment box, you put a query, I will must reply you within 24 hours. Thank you. So the first thing, this is the CCNA, what we are going to deal over here. The thing is that what this CCNA is. First, in one line, I want to say, we believe in IT industry. This is the most prestigious certification. And this certification is conducted by Cisco. So here is the question, what is the global certification? What happens when we go to the industry and we search for the job, of course? So what happens? This IT industry is nothing but this industry actually developed by several giant organizations. This is the contribution of several giant organizations who developed this IT industry. And in this IT industry, whatever may be the product, those products are nothing but developed by those companies. So here what happens whenever we go to the any type of area of the IT, people need the expertise. So how to prove the expertise? To prove the expertise area in the respective field, every company, big company, giant company, they conduct an exam on the global level. So what happens? This exam is conducted at the level is just nothing but the global level. So what happens? Of course, the exam pattern will be also very different and tough. The moment we pass the exam, company itself certify that the person is well versed about my product. So now you think, my dear, the company whose product, that company only certifying you that you are knowledgeable in their products. So don't you think it will be valuable? So like that, maximum company, I'm talking about right now in the networking industry because I belong to the networking industry. So I am having more knowledge about this networking industry. So the same thing over here also with Cisco. Being a leader in this networking industry, Cisco also run several level of certifications. I will deal that. And once we just qualify those exams, what happens? Cisco gives us the certificate that you are a Cisco certified person. So do you believe how valuable this certificate will be? Because in the industry, when we will go for the job and we are having a certificate which is given by Cisco. So I think you can imagine how valuable will be your CV in the market. Is it clear? So we believe this global certification adds extra tag to our CVs. So whenever the recruiter sorting the CV, of course, if we are having some global certifications, so the CV becomes valuable. So now let's Cisco. So I'm just giving a little bit brief about Cisco because it is not possible to describe about Cisco because Cisco is the giant. Okay. So now see what happens. Cisco System Inc. actually American MNC and famous for networking, hardware, software, and services. The services they are providing, the area of networking, security, collaboration, cloud and data center, and IoT. The company was founded in 1984. You can see who are the founder. And right now you can see where the headquarters is. Okay. Kansas, California, US. Okay. Now, now you see this Cisco, what happened? It is not possible, whatever technology Cisco wants to convey to the society, because Cisco has a very good learning path. Okay. So whatever, it's not possible for a human being to learn the whole technology at a time. That is why Cisco has divided the certification path in block. That means what? Cisco has given several levels of certification. How? The first one is the entry level, second is associate level, then is the professional level, then is the expert level, and ultimate is the architect level. So Cisco's ultimate global examination is nothing but architect level. Fine. So now just a glimpse I am giving you ki what is entry level. If a person is go for the entry level, in this level, area of focus is foundational skills for IT support and technicians. Fine. Now go for the associate level, and this is deal with the core skill for network installation, operation, and troubleshooting. The next level is the professional level. This level deals with advanced specialized skill in specific domains. After professional, you go for the expert level, and this level demonstrates deep technical expertise. I think you can understand the meaning of the word is expert level. And last level is the architect level, and this is the highest level deal with the technical infrastructure. Is it clear, everybody? Just this is a very brief information I am giving you. And I would like to suggest, please go through the Cisco site and check it. What are the services they are offering to the society? Because once you know about Cisco, I guarantee you will fall in love with Cisco. So next, so when my series is with CCNA, so right now I would like to give you a detailed information about this CCNA global details. Is it clear, everyone? So come. So see this CCNA. What is the full form? We can say this is Cisco Certified Network Associate. Once we pass this exam, we get the certificates, which is the associate level certificate. And this certificate is certified by Cisco itself. So I think you can understand. If you go through this CCNA knowledge, and if you appear for the exam, and I sure you will must pass the exam, so what level of certificate you will hold, is it? And this certificate will help you a lot while you'll go for the interviews also. So now when we appear for the exam name is Implementing and Administering Cisco Solution. Every exam has an international paper code, and this paper code is 200-301. Right now, the version of this is version 1.1. You can see the current CCNA version is version 1.1. Exam paper code, I have told you, 200-301. And this version 1.1 is updated from August 20, 2024. And for your kind information, the previous version was 1.0, then 1.0 to 1.1, 10% is updated. Last date for previous exam was August 19, 2024. That means version 1.0. Right now, version 1.0 exam is not in the market. Now, if we want to appear for the exam, we have to go for the version 1.1. What are the new topics Cisco has added in version 1.1? That is generative AI, cloud networking management, and machine learning. These new topics have been added. This exam, if you go for the CCNA global exam, my dear, you can see this exam duration is 120 minutes. The languages are English and Japanese. And the basic thing, what are the topic covered in this global exam? Networking fundamentals, From this part, 20% question is come. Then go for the network access. Here is also 20% questions come in the exam. IP connectivity, you can see 25%. So vital area, my dear. Then IP services, that is 10% exam question comes. Then security fundamentals 15% and automation and programmability also 10%. If you go for that, you can see it is the 100%. That means if we cover these areas well, so very easily we can score. Fine. Now the exam cost is 300 USD. That is in Indian currency, approx 22,500. But of course, you have to give 80% GST also. Right? Number of questions comes in the exam is 100 to 120. It depends. And the certification validity is 3 years. That means this CCNA certification will be valid up to 3 years. Don't be confused that once I qualify CCNA means lifelong the certification will be valid. No, my dear. It will be valid up to 3 years because everyday technology is changing and we also have to be with that technology. So that's why whenever the technology will change, we have to change our knowledge domain also. And the questions patterns are multiple choice, drag and drop, and performance-based questions, PBQs, like the simulations or lab using real iOS. Okay, so this is the information regarding the CCNA exam. So today up to this, and from the next video, I am starting the topic without any delay. So I think you people enjoyed all these informations, and of course I will suggest please write down all those information, because whenever we are going to learn something, so we should have the basic concept about that, thinking what it is and why we are learning, because why should I waste my time unless until knowing the benefit of learning. Okay, so thank you. Next video we'll meet.